This is a prayer to the World Peace Protector, Dorje Shugden, whose nature is that of Manjushri, and it is a short prayer that I have composed for modern era and for today's people to be recited every single day to invoke upon his energy for protection, blessings, and spiritual and physical abundance. I've provided a link for you that you may be able to see the prayer in written form. A daily request for wealth, peace, and protection. In the heavens, there are myriad manifestations of the divine. All those manifestations specifically show us different aspects of divinity in order to be of benefit to all living beings. All the rupakaya forms of the divine have compassion, skillful means, and wisdom. We invoke upon them whether we are happy, sad, down, lost, fulfilled, confused, empty, and during the whole range of emotions we constantly experience due to an untrained mind. Understanding our nature, great wisdom being Dorje Shugden. Therefore, all the more so, please hold us close to your bosom as an only child to a parent. Though the manifestations of the divine need no offerings and gifts from us, we offer you, Supreme Manjushri Dorje Shugden, a libation of tea, incense, and mantras, in order to ask you to bless us, to be a part of our lives, to abide in our dwellings, and to give us signs, omens, and portents of both good and bad. When the negative arises, quell them immediately. Please increase the positive for my weary and worn mind as I lay my hopes in you. When difficulties, problems, and confusion arise, we ask you, who is but the culmination of all that is powerful, holy, and omniscient, to bless myself, family, loved ones, environment, and even my pets. May I see wisdom, find hope, and be at peace. I request you, O divine Bhagawan Dorje Shugden, who wears a round dome hat and the 3 robes of a saffron bhikshu, who wields the sword of liberty, justice, and wisdom, and clutches a wish-fulfilling jewel, who rides in a supreme line of subjugation of all that is negative to fulfill my wishes. I understand my wishes may not be the best, so I surrender to your wisdom for the outcome, though it may not be what I have in mind. Please bless myself and everyone that we may enter into the supreme city of liberation. Great Bhagawan Dorje Shugden, I request you sincerely from my heart to be a part of my life. Bless my home and grant me wisdom, solace, and comfort, and that I may be of service to others without agenda, and that I may focus onto others, that I may focus out onto others, and not be fixated on myself, creating more problems for all that I hold dear. Bless me to become kinder, wiser, more compassionate, tolerant, and very forgiving to all those who hurt and love me. In order to become close to you, Dorje Shugden, we must surrender the banal. We must abandon fixed views, projections, and rigidity. Lastly, in my final moment, when I leave this plane of existence, only the positive actions I have done will matter, as everything and everyone will be left behind. Let me realize this and act upon this now. At this crucial moment, please may I have a vision of yourself, the powerful and merciful Dorje Shugden, to take me to where I may course in the sky to continue my journey of spiritual waxing. I offer you saffron colored tea and my faith to fulfill my prayers and gain cities. By reciting your mantra, may healing, peace, love, long life, protection, and perfect view of Shunyata arise. Om Benza Wiki Bitana Soha, 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 Om Benza Wiki Bitana Soha. I dedicate this supreme, heartfelt prayer to the all-knowing celestial and supreme protector Dorje Shugden, that I may quickly become a being of light, compassion, love, and enlightenment. We can do this prayer every day, once a day, followed by the mantras as much as we can, and invoke upon the energy of Dorje Shugden, as taught by the great masters for the last 350 years. Thank you very much. Humbly, Tsem Rinpoche.